Alright, let's see what this one is. I mean, we already know what it is, but let's see if it's any better than the other camera battery kit. So, for a couple of dollars more, this one comes with two batteries. And I think like basically identical looking charger. Oh man, this is driving me nuts. Holy moly. Alright. This looks like the same kind of charger as the other one. Cool. A little bit different cord than the other one. The other one had like a curly Q cord, which I absolutely hate. So we got two batteries here. And one thing I like to do is I always like to weigh batteries and figure out what I do with that scale. I recently found this little, I don't know what it is, like kind of a food scale, calorie scale. Alright. Take one of these here, put it up, pull the battery out, remove the cover. Looks just like the other batteries. Same color too. 2300. $78 grams. Okay. Now I need to find the other battery. We'll be right back and we'll compare them. Alright, so the K-Star battery is 77 grams. How's that possible? 77. So this thing's not really super accurate. So they're both weighing the same. They're both looking the same. Different stickers, pretty much. I'm sure they're probably the same. This one's got a number on the side. Anyway, but what I wanted to check was the actual battery. I just gotta move a few things over here and I can get the hold on. We get the battery out of the other one. Gray Canon battery. I think the Canon battery is heavier. So both of these are claiming 2300 and this is claiming 1390. And it weighs more. Let me reset this. Okay, my scale's dying, so I need batteries for the scale. Anyway, so I don't think that the new batteries are probably going to be stronger than the Canon batteries, but if you've seen the price of a Canon battery for a 2006, well, pretty hard to find one. Anyway, it is what it is. So I think I paid $12 for the regular kit with one battery from K-Star or whatever, Caster, and then this kit here is a slightly different one for like 15 bucks, but it comes with the two batteries and the same charger type stuff. So pretty cool. That's it for me, guys.